Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly cloudy skies across the region, as well as some mild temperatures and slightly breezy winds. That'll be the case throughout much of the day today, with temperatures today near 70 degrees for highs, so well above average this time of year. We'll see a very slight chance of a shower moving through later today into the late afternoon and evening hours. Most likely won't see that, however, only about a 15% chance of that occurring. Our thunderstorm chances near zero today, and we'll see in general a fair weather day across the region other than the slightly breezy southwesterly winds. Should see those winds only gusting around 22 to 23 knots for this morning into the afternoon hours, so should see that under wind advisory criteria 25 knots. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, a freezing level at 7,300 feet. Winds out of the southwest and low levels around 30 to 35 knots and becoming more northwesterly, 9,000 feet and above, and up to 63 knots at 25,000 feet this morning. Our current surface analysis, high pressure off the coast, allowing us to see warmer conditions across the region with that southwesterly surface flow. We'll see a cold front move towards the region on Monday. That's going to give us our next unsettled day with showers and thunderstorms across the region for our Monday evening. And taking a look at our current satellite imagery as well as composite reflectivity, you can see we do have that cloud cover around 10 to 12,000 feet across the region this morning. Seeing a bit of a break in that just on the western shore of the Chesapeake Bay. That'll be moving towards the region next hour or so, possibly giving us a period of some mostly sunny skies. But overall today, we'll average out mostly cloudy with these clouds around 10 to 12,000 feet moving in and out of the area throughout the day. And those rain showers off to our north and to our west should be drying up as they move towards the region. And as I mentioned, only about a 15% chance of a shower here. So taking a look at the HER model for the next 48 hours or so, you can see we do have that cloud cover across the region throughout the day today, and does bring some showers towards D.C. around 8 p.m. or 20 local and moving towards the area thereafter. Could be seeing that primarily across the northern and central Delmarva with only a sprinkle or a shower expected. And we'll move into our Saturday. We'll see some fair conditions across the region, slightly breezy winds and warm weather, temperatures in the mid to upper 70s across the peninsula, and that warm air mass will remain in place on Sunday as we have an upper level disturbance moving towards the region for our late in the day on Sunday, possibly giving us a shower for Sunday overnight into Monday. And taking a look at the European model here, seeing that ridge of high pressure off the southeast coast giving us warm conditions. And then into Sunday, should be a dry day for most of the day with only a chance of a shower moving through for late Sunday into Monday. But our best chance of rainfall comes with that cold front moving through for Monday evening. Some of those storms could be strong across the area with a strong cold front moving through the region. Some fairly strong winds ahead of this as well. So we'll be windy on Monday regardless of the showers and thunderstorms. And then we'll see that system move through for late Monday evening. And then we'll see Tuesday, high pressure builds in of Canadian origin, so we'll see some cooler conditions as comparatively we've seen the last few days with those very mild conditions, so back towards seasonable levels on Tuesday, and into Wednesday, similar with more seasonable weather across the region. A possibility of a system approaching for Thursday of next week with warmer conditions across the region once again, with a possibility of some showers. And we'll continue to monitor this as whether we can get some instability in the region for some thunderstorms or not. So looking at our risk chart for today, a high today of 70 degrees here. Southwesterly winds gusting at 22, 23 knots for later this morning into the afternoon hours. So a yellow for our winds this afternoon. And then southwest 10 to 15, gusts to 23 knots overnight. So yellow for our winds overnight as well. A low of only 57 degrees. So those high today and the overnight low will be about 15 to 20 degrees above average for the peninsula. Looking at our terminal forecast, we'll see VFR conditions the next 24 hours. And in general, as I mentioned, mostly cloudy skies with that cloud cover around 10 to 12,000 feet. We'll see a slight chance of a shower after 1600 local running till about 10 p.m. or 2200 local this evening. Most likely won't see that, as I mentioned, and only about a 15% chance of that's having over the area. So looking at our Saturday morning, just some mostly cloudy skies, warm conditions, temperatures near 60 as of 8 a.m. on Saturday morning. Our tides are running normal, and looking at our weekend, Saturday into Sunday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy, breezy and warm on Saturday, a high of 76. Saturday night, partly to mostly cloudy and slightly breezy, a low of 57. And for Sunday, mostly cloudy, breezy and warm, very slight chance of a shower late, high of 73 degrees. So the next 7 days, we're going to see those warm conditions from today through Monday. Temperatures in the 70s for highs, overnight lows well above normal in the upper 50s to near 60. And then we'll see those cooler conditions move in for, or seasonable conditions move in for Tuesday and Wednesday. Temperatures in the upper 50s, lower 60s. And then back, once again, a very mild day to warm day for Thursday. Looks like temperatures back into the 70s. And a chance of some showers and even a possibility of thunderstorm if we get some instability in the area on Thursday evening. But our next best chance of rainfall comes, as I mentioned, Monday evening. Looks like this will be a fairly strong system across the area with some showers and thunderstorms possible, as well as some windy conditions for our Monday. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. And back on Monday morning at 15 and 10 a.m.